Welcome to this video guide on how to cancel the Cleanup app subscription on your iPhone. In this video, you will learn how to access your iPhone subscription settings, locate the Cleanup app, follow the steps to cancel, understand what happens after cancellation, and get tips for managing your iOS subscriptions. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID banner at the top of the screen, then select Subscriptions from the list of options. Once you are in the Subscriptions menu, scroll through your active list to find the Cleanup app. If you don't see it, check the Inactive section for past subscriptions. To finalize the cancellation, tap Cancel Subscription on the app's details page and confirm your decision in the pop-up. Your subscription will expire on the date shown, but you can continue using the app until the billing period ends. Keep these tips in mind. Cancel at least 24 hours before renewal. Note that deleting the app doesn't cancel the subscription. Check all your Apple IDs and contact Apple support if you suspect a billing error. These steps work the same way on both iPhone and iPad. Simply navigate to Settings, tap your name, and select Subscriptions. Any changes you make will sync across your devices linked to the same Apple ID.